Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take long screenshot using 3 finger swiping down method on your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this page itself. And for taking long screenshot, first use 3 fingers swiping down along the screen. And click on the long screenshot in the captured image and the image will be scrolling automatically. It will go up to bottom of your screen, but if you want to stop at the intermediate point, just click over the image here and it will be stopped and you can save it. Click on save button and this is the long screenshot using 3 fingers swiping down method. Click on edit button and you can use various editing tool here. I would like to use text editing and I can add something on the screen, like I add hello and click on done, click on the tick mark and click on save finally. Yes, long screenshot is saved. Now to locate the long screenshot, go to files in your phone and click on internal storage and click on DCIM, click on screenshots folder, and at last we will find the long screenshot. This is the long screenshot that I took recently and you can share it or delete or you can keep it for future reference. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.